What's up, YouTube? And what we have here is a Carlyle 3/8 drive ratchet from Napa. Part number R38TD. Of course, it's made in Taiwan. Lifetime warranty. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to give this away to one of the subscribers. All you have to do is be a subscriber. You have to like the video or dislike the video, either one, and leave a non-offensive comment down below. Now, when I say non-offensive, you can say the video sucks or whatever, just no cuss words. And I think I'll leave it open for like 2 weeks just to see how many people we can get to comment, subscribe, like, dislike, because it's probably gonna be that many. So from 2 weeks from now, somebody will win this ratchet. It's time to close the window on this video. Just remember, no matter where you go, there you are.